Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to day 2, part 2, whatever you want to call it, of us rebuilding. We're not really rebuilding, but fixing what happened to the car at Sonoya, which was our last race. So, PB, tell us about what you got.
Huh? Well, we got a new trailer arm.
Alright, so as you can see, that one's pretty straight, and then
Thanks to Bridges Auto.
got this one. Hold on, get it so you can see difference.
Well, I think you can see a difference.
Oh no, son, I don't know how this thing goes. But as you can see, straight versus U-shaped, V-shaped. So that's the new one we're gonna put on there. It's not really new, it's used. But we'll go ahead and we'll get it on there. Alright y'all, so it took both of us to get this up in here. And it looks like it's not really finished yet. But it looks like it's a little bit straighter. Not that much straighter.
Oh, but, I mean, it looks, I don't know, in my opinion, it looks straighter.
Yeah, it's not like up and down straight like the other side, but it's getting there. So right now PB's putting up the 2 bolts. And what else are we gonna do?
We gotta get the bracket for the emergency brake back up.
Oh my goodness, it's so bright.
Here, hold one or the other.
I'll try and hold this side. Did you loosen it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Ah, mosquitoes already are out.
Yeah, they were out there at Pugs.
Alright. Okay. This is what I want. Hand me the
13/16.
Yeah. Alright, so we just loosened that up, the front piece of the bracket, so that way we can shift this, try and shift it back just a little to line it up more. We'll see how that works out. What are you looking for? Alright, so tell us what we just did.
Well, we just put everything back together, but it's still pushed forward because of where the trailing arm mount is. That's been pushed forward. Hold it.
Alright, I got it. Alright, so we put the tire back on, and if you watch the race video, Uncle Russ put like 3 fingers up here, and couldn't really fit 3, while on the other side you can easily fit 3 fingers in between the fender and the tire. So, it's still pushed up some. You can still see the sun don't get out of the way. But now I think we're just gonna swap tires and call it a night, maybe. I can't roll over the lug nuts.
Well, no, this one looks kind of pushed forward a little bit, but it looks straight up and down.
Yeah. Oh, it's dark. Alright guys, like I just said, it's getting dark out today, so we'll probably swap the tires around, and that might be it for this video. So make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and we'll see you part 3.